Thank you, my lord. I mean, that's it. Now, moving on from Carltonville at Sibanye Stillwater on the 18th of June 2020. Your next interaction with accused number 2 is on the 19th of June 2020 at this place of residence. You recall that incident?
That's correct, my lord.
Senihambileke manje nisukileke khona ke eSibanye nge-18 ka June 2020 maniphinda ke manje senihlangana naye umsolo wesibili kula ayehlala khona ngazo i-19. Yebo kuyiqiniso?
And for the purposes of brevity, I am not going to regurgitate all the evidence that was put on behalf of accused number 2 by Mr. Mgomezulu during the trial within the trial. Just on this aspect of the hoodie that the witnesses mentioned, the purpose of the excursion to Rustenburg was to search for that hoodie, according to the evidence, correct?
That's correct, my lord.
Ngokubufakazike isizathu sokuthi ke kiwe Rustenburg ngalelo langa kwakuyobheka yona ke ihoodie le awufakazi abakhuluma ngayo.
And according to the evidence, no such hoodie was found. Other sorts of hoodies and different colors were found, but not specifically the one that is alleged by the witnesses to have been worn by accused number 2 on the 26th of October 2014.
That's correct, my lord.
Kuyiqiniso-ke ukuthi yebo akhona amanye ama-hoodie atholakala-ke kodwa ayona lena ke ofakazi babekhuluma ngayo bathi yona ayeyigqokile ngazo i-26 October 2014.
And I just want to clarify something, but it's something also that you can comment on if you can comment. But I think Brigadier Gininda is the one that touched on this aspect mainly, which is the so-called first alibi of accused number 2, that at the boardroom on the 17th of June, when he was asked about his whereabouts on the 26th of October, the answer he gave to Mohane was that I was at work. Remember that evidence?
My lord, I was not present when the accused number 2 was questioned.
Yes.
Uzokhumbula-ke mayelana-ke nanga lo mhlangano wange-17 ezika June eBoardroom-ke ukuthi-ke wathi uma ebuzwa umsolo wesibili kwathi uMohane wathi-ke wathi wayesemsebenzini ngazo i-26 zika October 2014. Ngeshwa-ke ngangingekho lapho uma babemhloma ngemibuzo umsolo wesibili.
Yes, but the point really that I'm making is this. The HR manager of Sibanye Stillwater, Mr. Mulder, testified in this court, and he corrected himself that what he said during the bail application of accused number 2, when he stated that accused number 2 was AWOL, absent from work without approval, he was incorrect because he didn't have proper full documentation. But when he testified in this court, he brought clocking records and leave form applications of accused number 2 that showed that from the 25th of October 2014 to the 1st of November 2014, accused number 2 was on unpaid approved leave. Therefore, he wasn't supposed to even clock on the 26th of October 2014. That evidence, did you hear it or are you aware of that evidence?
No comment, my lord.
Okay.
Kubufakazi bakhe-ke umnumzana uMulder la ayesebenza khona-ke umsolo wesibili walungisa-ke awayekhulume kwisicelo sebheyili la ayeshilo-ke khona ukuthi umsolo wayengekho-ke emsebenzini engashongo noma-ke engachazelanga muntu, kodwa uma efika kule nkantolo-ke waseletha-ke amaphepha-ke ayetshengisa-ke ukuthi ngempela-ke wafaka-ke isicelo sokuthi-ke angabikho emsebenzini noma nje wayengazi ukukhokhelwa-ke lokubizwa ngokuthi-ke i-unpaid. Akukho-ke engifisa ukuthi ngikusho kulokho.
Now, the last, second last aspect that I want to touch on is what you were referred to by my learned colleague. A statement was handed to you yesterday by Mr. Mgomezulu pertaining to Nompilo Melangwane Sangweni. It's A94. Do you have A94 before you?
I do, my lord.
Yes, I'm not going to ask you regarding the aspect of the tangent that we took yesterday pertaining to black magic, seeing dead souls and all of that. But my point really is this, and this goes to count 3, which is robbery aggravating the taking of the S4 cell phone by the alleged intruders, especially according to Zandile Khumalo, it was taken by the first intruder with a firearm, the one with the dreadlocks. There is paragraph, it's not numbered in terms of paragraph. Let me try and make it easy for you. From the beginning, excluding the introduction, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, page 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, page 6.
We have 5.
You have 5 pages. Mine goes to 6.
These ones are numbered.
Oh, the typed out ones, because I'm referring to the copy of the handwritten one. So let me see at the typed out one, which paragraph am I looking for, and I'll let you know. My lord, if I may give in a minute to find out the relevant paragraph, because I was using the copy of the handwritten document. In any event, I'm not sure what paragraph, because I can't readily see it from here. Let me just read it for you. It says, maybe you'll find it on your document, but it says, before Kelly left, she told me that the criminals got inside the house and they pretended as if they wanted her cell phone. But she was surprised because they didn't take the phone, they only killed Senzo. She found her phone next to the door.
Paragraph 14.
Paragraph 14. Thank you, Mr. Jonas. Yes, that paragraph 14. Now, and I'm not saying, Sergeant Mohola, that you interacted with Ms. Sangwene, or you took a supplementary affidavit, or you investigated this aspect. But what I'm putting in respect to country is this: is if Ms. Sangwene comes to this court and takes oath and confirms that Kelly Khumalo told her that the phone was not taken by the intruder, that she had a phone after this incident, and Kelly Khumalo does not come to this court to refute that allegation, would it be fair to say that this then blows out of the water the state's case regarding the count 3?
As a good case, my lord, we submit that that is an unfair question. We have the evidence of Lieutenant Colonel Stein, who testified that there's objective evidence that shows that the phone went in the direction of the hostel. This shows just the danger of putting hearsay evidence on record.
Kunombuzo ke la obubuza uyena ke ummeli ngoba lana ke kwistatement esifundiwe izolo sakhe uNompilo Sangweni uthi nje ngaphambi kokuthi uKelly ahambeke wangitshela ke ukuthi ke igebengu lezo zangena ngaphakathi endlini benzisa ke ingathi bafuna i-cellphone, kodwa ke kwamangaza ke ngoba abakaze abayithathanga i-cellphone, kodwa babulala uSenzo. Wayithola ke i-cellphone yakhe eduze nesicapha emumva kokuthi behambile. Uthi ke ummeli uma ngempela ke uSangweni angeza ke lana akusho lokhu aqinisekise noKelly angezike enkantolo ezokuphikisa lokhu, kusho ukuthi ke lecala leli ke balithwesiwe lokuphucwa kwefoni alikho. Mele umshushisi uyasho ke ukuthi ke lokho ke akukho akusilona ke iqiniso ngoba kunobufakazi ke bakhe uKenneth Stein ngathi ke ethula ubufakazi bakhe la enkantolo ukuthi ke ifoni leyo ke yahamba ke ngalelo langa, futhi uma ke beyibheka ke kuyindlela ababheka ngazo ke ukuthi ke yayanga kuhlangothi la ngase hostel.
My lord, I'm happy for that objection because, and I'm happy.
Why are you happy?
Yes, because my learned colleague has told us, an expert from Vodacom who deals with cell sites and all of that, will come and testify because I'm a layperson, I can't even mention to court, but the radius of where the phone is located is not actually that which Mr. Steyn said about, but we will cross the relevant expert and withdraw that question.
Steyn actually estimated the distance. You
Yes.
remember that evidence?
Yes, he said
Yeah.
5 kilometers, I remember. Yes. But the real person that deals with cell sites will come and
But that's an expert
educate
also.
us. Sorry?
Steyn is not an expert, analyst.
I've never disputed that. He deals with the analysis. I mean, somebody who deals with cell towers, how they locate, how they ping phones, and all of that.
He also mentioned the cell tower, Steyn.
Yeah, but he was reading it from a document. He couldn't explain to us, my lord. But
Yeah,
let's
that's so. Okay.
let's wait for the expert that is coming. My lord, those are the questions
Okay,
that I'll have for the
fine,
witness.
fine.
I'm thankful.
Chike Msela msipile uzolinda yenake umngoti
Stay.
lo wakwa Vodacom ke ukuba uyena ozosho ke ukuthi ifoni leyo yayikuphi nendawo.
My lord, before I sit down, let me find out from accused number 1. if
Yeah,
I covered
fine.
all of this.